Shooting is easy. Just point and shoot. In these World Photography Day cheat sheets, we'll tell you where to point and how to shoot. Where to point and how to shoot. Choose a background that is clean and free of disturbances. For a great outdoor shot, get out of the city. Choose a spot with little traffic. Shoot early in the morning or early evening for the best light. Go high, go low. Eye level is boring. Change the point of view. Change the position of the car. Think beyond auto and program modes. Play around with ISO, aperture and shutter speed. Set a wide aperture to blur out the background. For that great beauty shot, experiment with foregrounds and backgrounds. Is there a flower bed next to you that you can use as a lovely foreground? The city is often one of the most ignored locations for photo shoots. Plan a bit and you can get some great shots without ever having left the city. Always keep looking for opportunities. Is there a great shot you can take inside your housing complex? A low-angle shot with a tall building in the background often looks fab. Always use a tripod. The city offers some great opportunities for streak shots. Keep the aperture opening narrow. Set a slow shutter speed, really slow, and click. Seen those lovely pet shots that Insta has by the dozen? Well, good news is you can shoot them too. Here's how. Always carry some treats and toys. Use them as a reward. Shoot them inside the car. Get a friend to create that great post shot. Pets are erratic and impatient, so you'll need to be patient. Get down to the same level as the pet and add a ton of drama. Make sure the coast is clear. There is no traffic or other animals where you're shooting. Excite the pet. Get him to play fetch for some brilliant action shots. So here's what you need for a great action shot. A great road, the tricks of the trade, right settings. An empty road with some background to blur out is perfect. Remember, you can't show action if there's nothing to blur. Stand firm. Follow the Nexon with your camera. Keep your hands steady. Don't just click once. Shoot in burst mode. Set your camera to AI servo. Select shutter priority. Set a moderate shutter speed. Tell the driver what speed to drive at. Around 60 is the best. Too high a shutter speed and you'll freeze the background. No action. The correct shutter speed will make 60 look like 200. This World Photography Day, let us tell you how to click your family and friends like a pro. In our enthusiasm, however, we sometimes forget the basics. Use the rule of thirds. Remember, composition is key. Think of the frame in 3 equal parts. Now place the subjects in either the left third or the right third. For that snazzy shot of your friends, put them to one side of the frame. Step away from your Nexon. Too close and you'll cover the vehicle. A little gap between your friends and the Nexon means that the photograph will capture both. Can you get a bunch of friends talking in front of your Nexon? Such candids are far more interesting than a dull posed shot. Through the Nexon's door or maybe in the Nexon's mirror, get them to stand out of the Nexon's door for a fun shot. This World Photography Day, we'll show you how to pay attention to detail and get that perfect shot. The Nexon's beauty lies in its details. Cloudy days are great for shooting details. You need soft and even lighting. What you don't need is harsh sunlight, for it creates high contrast and makes the photo look patchy. If it's too sunny, find a shade and park your Nexon there. Step in closer to the feature you want to shoot. Open up the aperture to blur out the background details. Use a wide lens to make the cabin look dramatic. Choose what detail to shoot carefully. badges and grills look super nice in photos. The best dashboard shots are taken from the back seat. Always shoot the headlamp or the tail lamp when they're on. Clicking a pic is now easier than ever, thanks to brilliant smartphones with excellent cameras. Here's how you can become better at phone photography. Smartphones usually have a wide lens, great for perspective, but first, make sure the lens is clean. Most smartphones will have different modes. Some even have a pro mode. Use them. If your smartphone supports manual adjustments, use them too. Use photo editing apps to enhance the photo. Experiment with angles. Try using the foreground and background innovatively. Avoid harsh sunlight. Get close. Remember, mobile phone cameras have limited zooming abilities. Click a great shot of your Nexon, upload on Insta, tag Tata Nexon Official and Evo India with the hashtag NexonGrapher.